Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to put a PDF into Google Docs. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Google Drive. After that, open the official website and this web page will be displayed. Here, click on the Go to Drive button and the Google Drive will open up. Now, make sure to sign into your account and you will be sent to the home page. Now, select File and then navigate to the target PDF in your File Explorer. After that, it will be automatically uploaded onto your Google Drive. Now, you just need to right-click on it, select Open With, and then click on Google Docs. Once done, the Google Docs website will open up in a new tab and it will start loading. Once it's done loading up, your PDF will automatically be converted into a document. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.